chabhondoka manje muri yezimbabwe takuona kuti vakomana vafunga kurwa maprotest mutungamiri wenyika yezimbabwe ari kunyika yechina. Panapa vanouya vachifambisa maflyers amuri kuona ayo ari kuita stay away protest. Sanapinda masvika muda nyogwa kuna munoti bosubscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Vanoposta that flyer amuri kuona iro rakanyogwa richinzi panapa vanouya vachitega imessage vachiti please repost to protest ed not my president and share flyer widely on Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. They might intimidate us. They are threatening us, but we must always resist in any way possible. We will prevail because people power is stronger than the allies in power. Vanotega Sabc, vanotega Komesa, Lusaka, AU, vanotega maunion akawanda kusanganisana na United Nations nemasecretary general vonyera vachiti now we the citizens of but in and out of Zimbabwe, we have to rise up in demand for credible elections. Our votes were suppressed on 23 and 24 August 2023. All Zimbabweans have a right to vote, but billions were denied their right because Job Scala, Jacob Ngarivume, and tens of thousands of prisoners were denied their right to vote. Millions in diaspora were denied their rights to vote. Hundreds of thousands of voters in Zimbabwe were either washed by force and forced to vote for against their will or were denied the opportunity to vote by Sabc Zimbabwe, as it took even up to 12 hours to deliver ballot papers in urban areas. Tomorrow's inauguration is illegal. Let's reject the notion that elections in Zimbabwe are mere procedures rigged in advance to illegitimate our suffering in the hands of ZANU-PF. Marukia panapa vakomana vachiti muzara nhasi yakanzi day 4 of protest. We demand fresh, free, fair, verifiable and credible elections. Vakomana vari kujamuka vachiti aiwa stay away protest. Hatoda kuti aiwa tidzikise mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section yedu musana subscribe or like and turn on the